Okay, we dug around in our little scrap bin and found this one that had been kind of chewed up by somebody, and I've trimmed it back and gotten myself a nice point on there. And if we go very slowly and very carefully, we're not going to break that point, and we'll be able to get all the way in there and really finish this thing off. So we'll put it back in our tool bit or tool holder. Okay, rotate the holder around. Let's see how we're doing. Yeah, we're going to be just fine. Plenty of clearance. Let's bring you in here and show you the clearance. If you look straight down, see if we can get there. Yeah. You can see that if I pull this right up next to it, there's that point is only the point is hitting. Everything else is not hitting that side wall at least. And so as we go down in deeper, we'll be able to, there's plenty of clearance on this side of the tool, so we'll be able to get down in probably another 1/4 inch or so. And that's exactly what we want to do. Let's get rolling. Well, no, not enough clearance. Not enough clearance, and I'm going to point with my little ruler here. If you'll look, you'll see that my clearance is almost at this angle here, and it really needs to be back at this angle here in order to clear. So now what I'm doing is I'm hitting on the very bottom of the tool bit right there. You can kind of see that little protrusion sticking out, and we got to get rid of that. So back to the drawing board. Let's try it again, see what we've got. Looks like it's digging in nicely in the bottom. We'll go in a little bit, and then we'll swing sideways just to get rid of some of the excess. Come back. Go a little further. Very nice. Okay, we're getting right down to the bottom there. Well, we're still hitting. Okay, we trimmed this thing down to a little razor blade. Let's see what we can do with it. Alright, it's cutting now, I think. There's almost nothing to cut with. Let's bring it in a little bit more. Yeah, it's cutting peels. Just nice, slow travel in, because there's not much to cut with. Probably taking 3-4 thousandths maybe, but it's doing an okay job. We'll take that all the way into the bottom there, and then we'll turn this bit around and come in from the other angle and finish off the other side. Okay, take that out. Now we're going to flip this back around and do our 17 degrees again. Swing our tool bit around, or tool holder around. Probably bring it in a little closer there. All right, 72.5. Yep. Okay. Now we just walk our way in very slowly, very carefully. Alright, well we missed that just a little bit. There we go. Come back up. Take another 5 or so. And we're right down to the end here. Alright, one last cut. Now we swing sideways just to catch. What are we hitting? Back it up a little bit. It does not want to cut a lot at a time. It's a very small bit. So we're going to have to cut like, 3 or 5 thousandths per cut, and then it'll cut. The main thing is we want to get that bottom to smooth out, so it doesn't fray the belt if the belt happens to hit that far down. There we go. I think that's pretty much it. Take some measurements. 375 is going to be a little bit low, but still there's lots of room for that belt. So I think we're good. Now, what do I want to do? Because there's just a little bit of roughness in that surface. I want to come in and just take out a little bit of the roughness. And then come in and catch all the sharp edges and just kind of round them off a little bit. Nice. Okay. I think we got ourselves a pulley. Now I still have to come in and dress the inside of the pulley, but I want to talk to the customer first because I want to make sure the belt is wide enough, and also we were talking about, notice there's this little groove right there. Now it's not much of a groove, but it's where the seal hits the metal, and over the years it's worn just a slight bit of groove in there, and he and I talked about coming in and just doing a skim on that. So I want to keep everything centered so that I can do the skim and I can come in later and push this thing out and work on the interior of the pulley. So for the moment, it's going to just stay just like it is, and we're going to take it out, have a quick look at it. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Let's get a light over here. Yeah, that looks really good. Nice deep V. And I'm probably also, if you can look down inside of there, you can see the weld. It rolls over just a little bit, and it could hit that washer. And then once I get the weld done, then I might come in and just V that out a little bit there too. But none of that happens until he contacts me, and I find out how wide his belt is for one, and then if he wants to take out the oil seal groove. Okay, well, that's pretty much how it goes. So another project completed, and you know, it was a pretty quick one, maybe 3 or 4 hours. Still a fair amount of time, and it came out pretty good, and we're ready to move on and do something else. This is Nick Collier, signing out.